Hey there, we're Permanent. We are a mission-driven cultural heritage organization building the world's first consumer-grade permanent storage service backed by a nonprofit. We believe that permanent preservation for every person is now within reach, but it requires a fundamentally new kind of organization. So we are applying the tried and true institutional models of cultural heritage preservation and leveraging the accessibility and scale of digital cloud storage to provide a truly one-of-a-kind public service. Our nonprofit designation is what sets us apart, but our magic is in how we treat your files. We are offering more than just another cloud storage service. We are creating digital archives. We maintain multi-layer, multi-region, multi-provider backups with trusted storage partners such as Backblaze, Amazon S3, and the Internet Archive. We preserve multiple copies of your files and perform routine checks on them to ensure their integrity. We accept all file types and convert most into formats that are compatible with any software. And as technology and file formats change over time, we will continually convert files so they are always accessible. We'll even preserve all embedded file metadata and will never strip away your work or degrade the original files. With a permanent digital archive, you're not just backing up files, you're protecting a digital legacy. We also believe that sharing these digital legacies doesn't have to mean oversharing. All uploaded files are private by default, and our permission controls provide different levels of access when sharing and collaborating, so you can easily create a shareable link to privately stored content with options to restrict how many people can access it and for how long. Or maybe you're curating a public collection. You can publish anything to your public archive without handing over the copyright. You are always in control of who can see what you preserve and how they can interact with it. Maybe you even want everyone to get involved in one archive together. We make that possible. Our platform allows you to create, curate, and even transfer ownership of whole archives. This multiple archive management allows you to maintain and easily switch between archives without having to share or juggle multiple credentials. So all your loved ones can work together on a family archive, or you can deliver permanently preserved collections to clients with ease. But what really sets us apart is our designation as a 501c3 cultural heritage organization. As a mission-driven nonprofit, our focus is on permanent preservation, not profit. We will never claim copyrights, mine user data, or invade your privacy. Everything you store on our system you own and always retain control over. We put people first, and our nonprofit status ensures more protection and power for our users. Now let's address the elephants in the room. How is this all permanent? Thanks again to our nonprofit status, we have a special tax-free nonprofit endowment fund. We charge you one time for each gigabyte of storage you need, and these one-time fees act like an investment in the future of your files. We pool these investments in our endowment fund and use the interest on that investment to cover the continued cost of storage and maintenance for your files for all time. And that's us. Now let's talk about you and your digital legacy. Feel free to reach out to us at any time at support@permanent.org. You'll always reach a member of our team. It's free to sign up, and your first gigabyte of storage is on us. You can also follow us on social to be the first to know when we have something new going on, like a webinar or a new design. Don't be a stranger.